1,000 cattle, 8 hours. Most people never see this. Follow me.
As you can see, our biosecurity protocols are strict. Everyone must scan their ID and use the sanitization.
This is where the process begins. Our state-of-the-art hydraulic system ensures humane handling as we move here.
Every animal undergoes this mandatory inspection. The RFID scan links directly to our digital database, allowing...
Welcome to our climate-controlled facility. As you can see, the Holstein cattle are kept in optimal conditions, ensuring their comfort and welfare. From here, 8 minutes. Farm to packaged meat. Watch every step. This pneumatic system ensures instant, humane stunning. As you can see, the operator is checking the calibration. The key to our throughput is this continuous flow system. It's fully automated, ensuring precision at every single step of the process.
This is the bleeding station. The precise cuts ensure complete blood removal, which is essential for the final meat quality.
As you can see, the downpuller makes the process incredibly efficient, and we utilize everything, ensuring dual-purpose byproduct utilization here.
The cervical joint separation is critical. Our inspectors then examine the lymph nodes for any abnormalities, ensuring the highest safety standards.
Every single organ inspected by veterinarians, nothing wasted.
And here we have the entire tenderloin, expertly removed. This is the highest value cut from the loin.
That goes to the rendering bin. Got it. Need another knife sharpener over here.
Every batch tested, exact fat content, nothing estimated. Zero waste. Every single part becomes valuable products. Minus 8 degrees. Months of storage capacity. Ready for global shipping.
Control to Operator 2. Clear aisle 5 and proceed to dock 12 for priority retrieval.
Did you check the temp on trailer 4?
Yeah, steady at minus 18. Go ahead and seal it.
every single batch, tested for pathogens before it leaves the facility.
Check the seal on that last one, please.
Looks good, boss. Labels are clear.
Every single step monitored in real time from this control room.
The yield is dipping below target in zone 4.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the temperature compliance.
Remember the claw grip for stability. And always sanitize your station immediately after handling raw materials.
This flowchart details the entire process. Our digital records ensure full compliance for the audit, as required by the regulations.
We're exceeding our targets this quarter. The renewable energy integration is performing better than projected.
We're looking at the heart of our operation. This distribution network ensures our products reach supermarkets, restaurants, and export terminals across the globe.
1,000 cattle, 8 hours, 200,000 products reaching millions of consumers. That's modern food production.